Okay, guys, this video right here is just the final icing on the cake. This is what I found in my Android phone before it died. This computer now too. This is a factory reset overlay prevention save text. It was like an MPMX program running, and I opened it with the notepad so I could see. This is what it said. An auto text of the factory reset overlay prevention. As you can see, that's not my writing. I don't write that copy. This is proof I'm hacked. I mean, I don't know how many more I need to tell people, more I need to show them. I'm getting hacked and harassed. Someone gonna step in, put an end to this shit.